Look at this. This is a perfect box. They got their order number written on the outside of it. So even if there is no paperwork, we know exactly whose it is. You can look it up, see what to do. All right, what do we got in here? Big box. It's very light. I'm curious what could be in here. All right, so we got paperwork, but they had their name or the order number written on the outside, so that's good. All right, let's get rid of this box here. It appears it's piezoelectric injectors. Man. Is it one? What do they got in here? Okay, that's looks like a bag that we've done in the past. And just one injector. Interesting. Maybe there's another one in the box? Aha, yes, there is. Okay, so we do have 2 injectors. And that's what the invoice called for, too. All right. What do we got here? All right, some Honda, well, they're Kian injectors. With this many of them here, it is more than likely. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probably a OX66 outboard. Paperwork in there. The hell side? There we go. Well, these are nicely packed. There's paperwork in there, and let's see what we got. The old Scotch tape trick. Alright, some Honda injectors. Some GM injectors. Okay. And this one's heavy. What is this? They flip the box inside out to ship it. Kind of weird, but alright. I hate packing peanuts. Oh, okay, so there are some BMW injectors. Index 5. Okay, good luck with these. We will see what happens. I don't see paperwork in here, though. Is there? What else is in here? Goddamn peanuts. Okay, no paperwork. So we're going to have to do some research to figure out who the hell these are. Awesome. Alright, no goofy packing in this one here. Let's see what we got. Start off with no paperwork. Oh wait, no, there's something in there. Let's see what we got. It's enough bags for sure. Oh, some old hose end injectors. Got 4 of them.